module, let us learn about the implication of the location of India at the head of Indian Ocean. The central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and West Asia. The trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. Today, let me conclude with the follow-up activity. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Thank you.